Like stashing. She likes stashing. She likes
Boys, parties, style, fame.
she likes
My name is Oyindamola, your host with the most, and we are back on your favorite Amebo program, The Gist on PlugTv, where we give you all the sizzling gist and all the Amebo of everything that has been happening around you. Now, I like to say something. If you did not see it on PlugTv, then trust me, it never happened. Now, it has been a while since we shot, and I am itching to give you guys everything that has been happening, and I know you guys are super excited too. But before we continue, do one favor for me, please click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the rest of the entertainment and the information we have for you on PlugTv. Don't go anywhere. It's Oyindamola with The Gist on PlugTv. On the first gist, if you guys can remember, on the 1st of February 2020, Governor Sanwo-Olu placed a ban on motorcycles and tricycles plying the roads of Lagos State, and he threw Lagosians into so much hardship. Now, as if that was not enough, he's about to put a ban on e-hailing cabs like Uber, Taxify, Alright, and a couple of others. He said they didn't take the necessary permits they need to perform. Now, how they do it is they order these cabs, then these cabs come to pick them and they arrest the cab drivers. Now, what do these people expect us to do? You take motorcycles, you take tricycles. Now, the one thing people like to use apart from buses, you want to take it again. How do you expect people to survive? What kind of traffic do you want to put in Lagos? People that do not have cars and are not very comfortable entering public buses, how do you expect them to move? And people that are not very comfortable entering these local cabs, how do you expect them to survive? I think they should do something about it. It's still The Gist on PlugTv. Ring, ring, ring. Do we hear the wedding bells ringing? Seyi Awolowo, former BB Nigeria housemate, has proposed to the love of his life. Now, if you guys remember, when they left the house, when Seyi was having something to do with our own Tacha, his wife came out, or his girlfriend came out and said, no, I know my man's type. Tacha is not his type. And we all came out for her. Like, you can never trust a man, but it has opened up in our eyes. They are getting married, or so they said. Now, talking about engagements and marriage, popular drama queen Nina of the Big Brother 2018 came out to post pictures of her traditional wedding. Well, congrats to her, but I have questions. First, how do you post engagement pictures and the man is not there? How does it work? Now, people have been saying this thing, his audio wedding, and I support them because first, for a drama queen like Nina, it is not possible for her to get married and not invite anybody. As popular and as dramatic as she is, she would have even invited the Big Brother housemates, but she did not invite anybody. All we saw were her own pictures and pictures of a party. No matter what, we could have caught a glimpse of your husband. So what I concluded was that Nina is actually pregnant because we saw all the videos of her covering her stomach. Hey, now I think she is pregnant and she's trying to cover up with an audio wedding. Even rumor has it that it is the man that put her into trouble some time ago that she was posting that other people came to claim that is responsible for her pregnancy. Let us know the truth, Auntie Nina. Stop using wedding to cover up for us. It's still The Gist on PlugTv. It's not in my mouth, you're headed. On today's episode of Gbasgbos Instagram, on Fathia Williams / Balogun's birthday few days ago, Iyabo Ojo first took to her Instagram page to post a very long caption insulting Auntie Fathia, telling her she's Agbaya. For those of you that do not understand Yoruba, Agbaya can be directly translated to mean old food. She took to her Instagram page to call Fathia Williams Agbaya and to tell her she hates on people, and to also say Fathia Williams was spreading rumor about her that she was in coma and this and that. Now, Fathia Williams didn't reply her. Then we now took our Amebo cap and we put it on, and we did some research that what can be causing this old woman to be talking to this older woman in this way? Then we realized that I did not say that both of them are into any kind of business, but Iyabo Ojo introduced Fathia Williams to a man that happens to own a lounge. Now, this man is a married man. I heard that he was into Iyabo Ojo before she introduced Fathia Balogun to him. Apparently, some things happened and the man started taking to Fathia Williams. Now, that was why Fathia celebrated her birthday in Island Lounge. It's not in my mouth that you heard it. But we heard another gist that Fathia Williams was actually proposed to on her birthday. Audio engagement, we don't know, but we will find out very soon. It's still the gist on PlugTv. Welcome back to the gist on PlugTv, that program where we give you all the sizzling gist and how the amebo has been going on around you. On to the next gist. Who can remember when Tonto DK posted a video sometime last year narrating how her ex-husband and father of her child is a 40 seconds man? She went as far as telling us that this man is into cyber fraud / he does rituals because one day she caught him tying red wrapper around red candles. Hey, anyways, Mr. Churchill has come. Probably he got broke or something and he saw that Tonto was living the life. He now came with lawsuit to sue Tonto DK to court for defamation of character. He now told her that she's gonna pay 500 million naira. In my own opinion, I don't think Tonto can boast of 5 million naira in her account. Talk less of 50 million, not to now go as far as 500 million. But what do I know? Still talking about Tonto DK, few days ago, her son, King, celebrated his birthday. And I zoomed into some of the gifts that she gave to her son. And I saw from Uncle Ahmed and Mommy. Hey, who is this Uncle Ahmed? Can we hear another bell ringing? Have you just my ear? Anyways, it's still the gist on PlugTv. We'll be right back. For the last gist of today, it has been celebration bells ringing in the DMW house as popular musician Mayoku just got himself a Range Rover. Ha! The way these people are cashing out, are you guys sure I'm not going to join the DMW team? Don't even get it twisted. I dey sing fire. I sing it's not easy. Anyways, that's all we can take on today's episode of the gist on PlugTv. I want to continue, but time will not permit me. But before we go, do one thing for me. Please like this video, drop comments, and of course, click on the subscribe button so you'll be getting all the information and of course all the entertainment first hand from us. My name is Oyindamola, your host with the most, and it is the gist on PlugTv. Bye bye.
Like gossip.